I know this is a sport that's picking up, so I just wanted to share this tip with you. If you have a white paddle especially, just take a dry magic eraser. It doesn't have to be the name brand, where you can get like a off brand one for like around $2, 2 in the box. But all we have to do is just use it dry. You do not need to use water. I don't recommend using water because it could damage your paddle. But if you just use a dry magic eraser and just rub it, it'll take off all the seen and unseen dirt. Now it is some stuff like this ink that look like it came from a ball that's harder to get off, but I put a little extra elbow grease on it and it eventually did come off. And one more tip, if you want to save money and protect the edges of your paddle, just add some electric tape. If you scratch the ground or anything like that, all you have to do is just put another layer of electric tape. I think electric tape costs like what, $2, $3? Alright, if you're interested in informational videos around everyday products and tech, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.